Hello friends, you're most welcome back to this new video tutorial with me. I'm David from YoolaSMS. Now there's something I want to let you know today is that YoolaSMS is not just what you're thinking about. It's now something very big, and they have brought us something new called Send ID. This implies that when you happen to have an account in YoolaSMS, you can actually buy Send ID. You can actually buy ID, the the unique ID for your business directly from us. And it only takes, for MTN takes 3 to 7 days, and for Airtel will take 5 to 10 days to have it activated. So in simplicity, we take approximately 5 to 10 days or maximum 10 days to have your sender ID out. This is, for example, if maybe right now I'm sending a message, or for example, when you happen to create an account in YoolaSMS, after you happen to create an account in YoolaSMS, the next thing you have to do is to look onto, when you log into your account and you go into your account, let me see, you have an account and you go into it, you'll definitely have a chance, or you get a chance to be in a position to buy or to send a message with the only sender ID. Let me show you how I can do it. I said create an account. Let me hope you have one. If you have not, no problem. Let me show you from your account.